Welcome back to Smooth Auto Vibes, where we bring you the latest from the world of wheels. Today, we're diving into something sleek, smart, and seriously stylish, the 2025 Zeekr X SUV. If you haven't heard of it yet, you're in for a surprise, because this electric compact SUV is shaking things up with its futuristic design and smart tech features. The Zeekr X is built by Geely, the same company that owns Volvo and Polestar, and you can feel the DNA from those brands in this SUV. But make no mistake, Zeekr is carving out its own identity. The X has a bold look, with sharp lines, a wide stance, and a clean, minimalistic vibe that gives off serious premium energy. It's the kind of design that turns heads, especially with the hidden door handles, flush surfaces, and LED light signatures that scream high-tech. Under the skin, the Zeekr X rides on Geely's C platform, the same one used by the smart number 1 in Volvo X30. That means you get a strong foundation built specifically for electric vehicles, with a low center of gravity and great handling dynamics. The X offers two powertrain options, a single-motor rear-wheel drive with around 272 horsepower, and a dual-motor all-wheel drive version that bumps the power to about 422 horsepower. That means 0 to 100 km per hour in just over 3.8 seconds for the AWD variant, pretty wild for a compact SUV. Battery range is equally impressive. Zeekr is offering a 66 kWh battery pack, which gives you a real-world range of around 440 to 500 km depending on the version and driving style. Fast charging is supported too, with the ability to go from 10 to 80% in about 30 minutes. So whether you're commuting daily or planning longer road trips, this EV's got your back. Step inside, and the cabin is where Zeekr X really shows off. The design is super modern, clean, and minimal. Think of a living room on wheels, with premium materials, ambient lighting, and a flat floor that adds to the spacious feel. There's a massive 14.6-inch touchscreen in the center that handles almost everything, from climate control to navigation. And yes, it's compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. One cool feature: the screen slides from the center to the passenger side at the touch of a button. It's a little show-offy, but also kind of awesome if you have a passenger who wants to control media or follow a map. There's also a heads-up display and advanced voice control system that recognizes natural commands, making the whole experience futuristic and seamless. In terms of practicality, the Zeekr X doesn't disappoint. The rear seats are roomy enough for adults, and there's decent boot space for everyday use. You get wireless charging, USB-C ports, and even a hidden fridge in some variants to keep your drinks cool, perfect for long summer drives. Safety-wise, the Zeekr X packs all the goodies you'd expect from a modern EV: adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. It's designed to meet global standards, and you can feel the Volvo influence here when it comes to safety philosophy. What makes the 2025 Zeekr X stand out is how it blends luxury, performance, and innovation at a price point that undercuts a lot of premium EVs. It's not just another electric SUV, it's a statement from a brand that wants to challenge the status quo. So if you're looking for a futuristic, fun-to-drive, and tech-packed electric SUV, the Zeekr X deserves a spot on your radar. Let us know in the comments what you think. Would you consider this over a Tesla Model Y or a Volvo X30? Thanks for cruising with Smooth Auto Vibes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more auto insights coming your way. Until next time, stay smooth and drive smart.